Hi friends, I'm Sohrab Aghayi and I want to analyze the stocks of Activision Blizzard chart in Nasdaq Stock Exchange. To begin the analysis, I must say we have a strong supply area in this chart that the chart has to cross this zone and then continue its uptrend. And that zone is $90 zone. But how about current prices? What can we do? Guys, look here. We have lost an important area of support, and in order to be able to hope for price growth again, we need to take back this area of support. But does taking back this zone mean starting the uptrend? Do we have to have a long position after taking back this area? I think not. We have no choice, guys. We have to wait and see how the price reacts to the $90 zone. There is a high risk of opening any positions before the price rises in that zone. You may ask, if the price exceeds $90 zone, then what price will we reach? Areas that will be priced after $90 zone are $106 zone and $165 zone. But what about the lower areas? These are the same supports. How far can the price go down? The $45 and $10 zones are low supports, but it is unlikely that the price will go down. We expect the price to try to go up. Don't forget one point. The price we expected to enter the chart was calculated using current information. If new information is generated in the future, a more accurate area for long may be found. Okay friends, thank you for watching this clip. Please support me by liking and subscribing. Goodbye.